In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Minecraft timed out error. So let's jump straight into it. And the very first thing you need to do is come over to your start menu, and we're going to search for CMD, and then right click on the command prompt, and we need to run this as administrator. Inside of here, we just need to type in netsh space winsock space reset, and then hit enter. And then we need to type in ipconfig space / flush DNS and hit enter. And we can then close out of this command prompt window. And the next thing you're going to need to do is come back over to the start menu, and this time search for settings, and then just head over to the settings tab. From this left hand panel, we need to come down to network and internet and scroll all the way down to advanced network settings. And once again, scroll down and come over to network reset. And we're just going to go ahead and press this reset now button, and you'll need to confirm by selecting yes. And then once you've reset your network, you need to head over to the start menu, and we're going to search for Windows Defender. And then come over to the Windows Defender firewall. From the left hand side, we need to select Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender firewall, and then select Change Settings at the top here. And we need to come over to Allow another app, click on Browse, and then we need to select the Minecraft application. Now, if you're not sure where this is saved, the easiest way to find it is to first come over to your start menu and to launch up the Minecraft application. And once you've got Minecraft running in the background here, we're just going to simply minimize this for a second, and you're going to head over to the start menu and search for Task Manager, and then head over to the Task Manager tab. In this window, we need to find Minecraft from this list of processes, so we can either use the search bar at the top here, or you can just scroll down to find this Minecraft application, and you're going to expand this list here, and then we can right click on this button Minecraft here and select Go to Details, and you should now see this minecraft.windows.exe file, and we're simply going to right click on this, come over to Open File Location, and this is where the minecraft.exe file is saved. So we can come over to this folder at the top here, and we're going to select all of the text at the top here, and then we're just going to copy this, and we can minimize this folder and minimize all of this, and we need to come back to this browse folder, and then we're just going to paste in everything we just copied and hit enter. And we can double click on the minecraft.windows.exe file, click on add, and now we've successfully added Minecraft to our list of exceptions in our firewall. And inside of here, just make sure both private and public are both ticked. This is super important. And then you can hit OK to save these changes. And now if that's still not working, another thing that I'd recommend doing is checking the server status of Minecraft, as sometimes the servers do go down for maintenance, and that could be the reason why you're facing this timed out issue. So to check this, simply head over to an internet browser, and you'll need to come to this website mcsrvstat.us, and then you can type in your server here and then just click on Get Server Status. And this will give you the status of the server to make sure it's actually up and running. And if the server's down, then you'll just need to wait for it to get back up and running before you'll be able to connect. And hopefully by following all of the steps in this video, that's helped you with the timed out issue. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.